Hey there, it's Kevin here. Thanks for listening first of all today. Kevin Kavanagh is my name. I'm the owner of a company called Positive Products Ireland. We distribute products directly into Amazon and we want to ensure that you get the best quality products. And you're probably looking at this video today because you're looking for a review of the Silicone Spatula Set or a Silicone Spatula itself. What we're going to do from time to time is we give away special offers, so be sure to click on the link below this video here, as I'm sure there's one running right now. Let's talk about these silicone spatulas and the set itself. First thing that you got to notice, they're slick, they're great style indeed. We've put it in a nice black color with a logo on it, which is very easy for you to go to Amazon and just type in Darth Baker and you'll see Darth Baker Spatula Set, okay, or Darth Baker Spatula, and these will come up very, very quickly indeed. Okay, so what's so good about these? Well, there's 480 degrees Celsius. That means that you can use them into that kind of heat that you're using it. So if you're using it on a frying pan, you can do that. It's pretty good. It's flexible. You can see the flexibility here in the top. It's one piece, which is really, really good. It's because of bacteria. It won't. Some of these other ones will have the head fall off here, and it's just a bit of a nuisance, really. Okay, this is a one-piece silicone set. It's a steel metal core running through to here, right the way down to about there, and then there's flexibility to get around those jars as well. Okay, if you're using it for a jar, if you're using it for mixing, really, really good product. Now, the other side of it is that what we did was we come along, we had some people asking us about a mini size one. So we put these together as a set. So you get one large, one small, and again, the logo's on the side, steel metal core. This one's particularly good for getting in around the chocolate jars or anything that you're scraping away there. If you want to get it in somewhere really, really tight, this particular product is great. So we put it together as a set, and there's a special offer, as I said, running at the moment on this particular product. So if you click the link below here, there will be information for you to get the discount. Okay, be sure to do that, and you'll be redirected then to Amazon, where you can get that discount with that code. Okay, so go and check it out and make sure that you enjoy the product. The product comes with 100% money back guarantee, because we're so proud of our products that we do it with Amazon. That is a really, really good one as well. As an additional as well, what people do is they usually have that, but maybe they're looking for an apron as well when they're doing bacon. And we have this other Star Wars inspired apron, which is on me here behind. It's called They Call Me Darth Baker, which is also selling very, very well indeed. So go and check it out, the link below. And if you have any questions in relation to the Silicone Spatula Set or our apron, be sure to contact us. We'd be delighted to answer any questions that you may have. That's it, Kevin signing out. Have a great day.